Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Power BI applications and track down the Microsoft Teams activity as well as usage within Microsoft Teams by using Power BI application, right? So I'll give you a bit context about this, why we wanted to do that, and how Power BI can help us in order to track down the Teams activities. So Teams activities is nothing but a user activities, how people are actively using Teams capabilities, including chat, one-on-one chat, group chat, Teams chat, channel chat, right? Along with one-on-one calls as well as meetings, right? So all of those are the different activities that people are doing across the teams by using Microsoft Teams capabilities, right? And how that is being effectively used within Teams applications. So here I'm in Teams applications, and this is a Teams desktop application, not desktop, but the Teams web applications. Similarly, you can also track down the same activities as well as same capabilities within Teams on desktop applications, right? And basis on that, you would be able to track down all those activities so that you will get an idea how it works, how you can analyze the details, and what are the things that you need. All right, so let's jump in. So I have given bit context, and now I'm going to show you how you can add the Power BI applications and open it within Teams applications so that you can track down and see the activities of Teams, right? So this is going to be a short video, I would say, but it's going to be very helpful. And this video is going to be helpful for the administrators in most cases, because administrators are those who need to track down and they have to share the details and reporting capabilities across the business units and across the teams, so that how people are adopting Microsoft Teams and its different features, and how we can use different capabilities, as well as how we can educate the end users so that people are learning and they are making use of Teams capabilities effectively, right? And that is the main reason of, by seeing these capabilities and reports and everything using Power BI, right? So let's jump in and I'll show you how you can do that. So here's the apps button here, which is a small tab, and here you need to search Power BI. Once you search it, it should look like this one. And here you see Power BI, which is Microsoft application, which is already a part of Teams application store. And from here you just need to click on open button here. So once it is open, you will see this bunch of options here, where we wanted to open this particular application, whether on a chat group or whether on a specific team channel, right? So I'm going to open it here, and you will see this saying that this app may have issue on the web versions of Teams. You can open it on Teams desktop, but you need to click on this another option below, which show the app in any way. That means it is going to simply open in the web, right? So now it is opening. Here you see the Power BI icon is popping up gradually, and all right, so here it is open perfectly. So now you see there are different reports. I had run this report before, before 4 hours ago, you can see. Also, there was a workplace created when I had created or opened this first time, right? So that is when these are the reports and workplace would be created automatically for you. And here are different options. So under apps, we have some applications. Also, we have option to add additional applications for the Power BI. Along with, we have matrix. So matrix is going to give us the different kind of reports, and those reports can be used for different reasons, or for different tracking across the organization or across the team, across the business units, and all of that. So at the top you see different menus kind of. So first we are going to go through the create section, and then here we have analyze your team's data. So this is the one capability that we are going to see across this video, and I'm going to show you. So let's click on this video, this tab, where it is going to create teams activity analytics report, and now it is generating. You can see loading your reports. So perfect, here it has loaded the complete report, and you see there are different reports. It might be bit different for you, or yeah, it should be good now because I have expanded it, and also I'm going to scroll down a bit so that you will get an view. So here you see the usage of the chat messages and channel posts and channel replies, right? Also you see the messaging summary: chat message sent, then the channel post, and then channel replies, along with screen sharing 25 hours. Then screen sharing video was 1 hour 48 minute, and sharing audio was 34 hours 25 minutes. Along with that you see the meeting summary. Along with that we have other capabilities. So this report is for last 90 days. You can see the time period is set to last 90 days. Similarly, you can set it for last 7 days, 14 days, and 31 days, right? So basis on that, we can select or change the date or time period and get the report. The next is team activity, how people are effectively are using teams, and which teams are effectively used, what are those active users, active channels, and the number of posts, the total replies, and days without active users. So how many days were there where people did not chat or people did not put their messages at all. So all of that report can be seen here, and team activity details as well. So here we get that details. You can see active users 1, there's active channel 1, there is no guests, no posts, no replies, no mentions, and 0 reactions, right? So this is of last 90 days data, right? So basis on that, this gives us a clear insights about the report as well as a team's usage and activities, and this is really helpful across the organizations to see and know the adoption of Microsoft Teams, how people effectively are using it, whether people are really using it for different use cases like chatting, calling, one-on-one chat, group chat, channel chat, or all other usage, right? Also you see there's file tab or file menu, where we can save a copy, download this file, manage the permissions, embed the reports to SharePoint online website or portal, publish to a web which is going to be public, and then developer playground, right? And then we can also generate a QR code, and then settings. Apart from that, we have export buttons, analyze in Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF. Then we can share it. We can also send it in the chat. Explore this data. We can also explore and see the insights and get the details. We have get insights details. We can set the alerts, and we have edit, right? So edit is going to give us the capability to change or modify existing configurations. Also, we have option to subscribe to report. Along with that, open workplace lineage, pin to dashboard, view semantic model, and see other related contents. So what I'm going to do is subscribe to this report so that I will be receiving all the data or the report by email, right? So I'll just simply give it a name, and simply I'll put the recipient address. I'm going to, okay, so there is no direct option to select for us, but I'm going to select start date as today's date, and the daily repetition would be daily. So we can set it hourly, weekly, or monthly as well, and then date and time, or the time scheduled from. And yeah, that's all. So save this change. So this is going to send me a report on a scheduled date and time, right? So this way we can make sure we get the daily report from this, and that way we can track down the capacity and capabilities of teams, and different activities happening across teams. So yeah, that's all for this video. And if you have any questions, any doubts, anything, please do put them in the comment section below. Also, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.